I'm the special counsel to Nnamdi Kanu. Before we get to the main event, which is going to be very brief, let me introduce members of my high level. On my extreme left is Prince Emmanuel Kanu, younger brother to Nnamdi Kanu. On my immediate left is Dr. Maswell Opara, a member of Nnamdi Kanu. On my extreme right is Barrister Mandela Umwegoro, a member of Nnamdi Kanu. And on my immediate right is the man of the event. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my high honor to stand before you today to introduce a very courageous man, a gutsy man, a man I respect, a man of courage, a man of vision, a man of justice, by the name of Omoyole Sowore. Ladies and gentlemen, Omoyole Sowore is the initiator and propagator of the big event planned for October 28, 2025 to free Nnamdi Kanu now. Yes, and other unjustly detained persons across Nigeria. Yes. So, Omoyole Sowore is here to tell you all about it and to galvanize you to action on that day. Thank you.
Our business here today is very brief. We have had to endure the unjust harassment, intimidation, torture, extrajudicial killing, and continued illegal, unlawful, and unjust detention of Nnamdi Kanu. He's our brother, he's our blood, he's one of us. I know him personally, he's my friend, so that nobody will say that, well, how did Sowore come into this? But even if he was not my friend, I will fight for justice. Yes.
We know you for that.
I fight for people I know and people I don't know. But Nigeria has reached a point where they must recognize and respect the right of everybody to demand for their own dignity and to also do so on behalf of their own people. So we are not here, please don't get us wrong, to appeal for pardon or clemency or amnesty, because you can only be granted those if they have committed a crime. As far as we know, and as far as they know, Nnamdi Kanu has not committed a crime known to law. If he did, they would have convicted him since these 10 years of going back and forth. But even a shred of evidence is not available in any courtroom in Nigeria. Since they started this case, I think they have only one witness so far. And the only witness that came rooted, his testimony was that he didn't find Nnamdi Kanu with anything. And let me tell you, some of you may not have heard this before. In 2019, a secret charge was filed against me and Nnamdi Kanu together. That we are trying to overthrow the government, that we killed some policemen. They could not even arrange for it because it never existed. It existed only in their imagination. And but let's even talk about what they do these days. 3 days ago, Tinubu pardoned some of the best, I would say the best criminals. The best and the best. 53 drug dealers. You know, when you are president and you want to pardon people, you pardon people from your community.
We understand.
Yes, we understand that. One of the worst kidnappers in this country was pardoned. A woman who killed her husband, cold-blooded, was pardoned. Several other high-profile criminals. The lawmaker who collected bribe with his cap, Farouk, was pardoned. And we are here debating that somebody who didn't commit a crime should not be let go. What we are asking for is very, very straight. We want an unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. No condition attached. Not even a shorty. Because last time that they asked him to go and bring shorty, they still went, drove him out of his house, killed people there. They arrested the shorty, Abaribe. I was staying in Abaribe's DSS bed after they have released him. Most people did not know he was arrested and detained for several months because they kept it secret. That's why we are not providing any shorty this time. No more victimization of anybody. Yes, sir. But we are going to make this happen on October 20th, 2025. Next Monday. We have come to seek your assistance, support. Yes, the location is the Central Business District in Abuja. But the gathering point is the Unity Fountain. Yeah, but in case they want to play funny, we have several other gathering places. We must make it to Ashtags that day. Right. I heard that Tinubu has traveled abroad, but I hope he will come back before then. Time is 7 a.m. and I'm glad that we are in a furniture place. We will need some 2x2, not to kill personnel, it's to carry placards. Because we want to carry placards. It's a peaceful demonstration. Completely peaceful. In fact, our lawyers have written to the Inspector General of Police. Even though it is our right to protest without contacting the police. But we have done it so that they will say they are not aware. So we also urge you, every Monday, for a long time, markets were shutting down in this country. And we want the markets to take a break next Monday, just for Nnamdi Kanu. This is the last Monday we are going to go on break for him. Please, let's do it for our brother Nnamdi Kanu. But it's not just to shut down the markets, we want you to come to peaceful protests. So that we'll have the largest number gathered in Abuja on that day, Monday 20th. If you're on Twitter, it's MNNK20, October 20, MNNK, October 20. Free Nnamdi Kanu is the hashtag. Unconditional. And we have also invited all the Southeastern leaders, governors, House of Rep members. You have been seeing my posts. Some of them have kept what they call radio silence. They will say that they want Nnamdi Kanu released during the day. At night, they want to meet Tinubu, don't release him. God bless you. Yes. That is why you are seeing them playing this game. And this has nothing to do whether you are Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa. This is about justice. Yes. Yes. Because, you know, they have been putting around narrative. Yoruba, Sowore is the Yoruba man. Don't trust him. You understand? I don't even know where I come from. You come from there? Yeah. But I know that I'm a citizen of the world and I believe in justice. The only tribe I belong to is the tribe of justice. We are also going to notice that as soon as we leave this place, two things will happen. They will call your leaders to a meeting that you should not go. And then they will be discouraging people. Don't go. Some people will come and tell you that they have heard that police are doing deployed. They don't distribute bullets now. All those things are lies. It's because they are afraid. But we have said one last thing to them. You have a chance to release Nnamdi Kanu before the 20th. You know how to do this, so if you are worried about us coming to Ashtags, release him before the 20th. We will find something else to do on the 20th. I always have something to do. I have extras to do, extras to do on the 20th. So you can help yourself by releasing him now. You can get the call now that he's been released. We start jubilating. We will just do party this whole weekend. So that is our message to you, and we hope to see you on Monday. Thank you so much.
I was a slave in Abuja. Always go bring us new in a shop. If you go to a place they call Wawa Barak in the Niger State, you
you will see your brother. You are here in Abuja. Somebody just says your brother, you just represent against your brother. The member of IPOB or USL. The person there. You will be thinking that person is dead. Hold there, some people have stayed there 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You will be thinking that they are dead. When they are using Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu is the figurehead. There are some persons that are there. I can tell you those that I even saw. I filed action against them for them because their judgment, the federal government of Nigeria refused to release them because of what? They are Igbos. Listen, let me tell you, we must fight it once and for all. Of course, you know that I didn't think that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the southwest. Yeah, of course. It's because of the Igbo. And we cannot, we will say no to that. Please forget about what I'm going to tell you on the 20th. We have been having a lot of places. They will come to your wife, they will come to your children, they will say, please don't go. Please, it's not the kind of place. Maybe I'm not facing to go.
It might be you.
We have seen what is happening. They will give you a location, you will pay with your papers. One early morning, you will be coming to the road. See that this place has been demolished. They ask you to go to court because of what you need. This is the time. You can see how somebody, when you're about somebody who is doing something that is supposed to do, mobilize them. Are you going to say, what is he looking for? What is he looking for? Justice. So when it comes to material things, God has blessed him. But he decided to risk his life. If he can do it for us, what of us? Don't allow anybody. Among us here, there are some of us here. They will say, forget about them, not fighting for you. These are the people, when they are talking about that, walk out from that place. Please, the 20th is the day. By 7 a.m. Tell your brother in Onitsha, tell your brother in America. In fact, those of them in diaspora, they are even taking this one of us. Those of them in Aba, let everybody, let us talk everywhere down. Occupy Nigeria.
It is time. It is time.
And other detainees,
including in Tiger Base.
Yes, Sowore. That's my
Tiger Base. Tiger Base that he's talking about is the new opposite side of that. They commit atrocities there. Now, but on that note, let me give you courage. Under the Nigerian Constitution, you have the right to peaceful assembly, right to peaceful protest. So don't be afraid, be of courage, and come out and let your voices be heard from us in Nnamdi.
We have written to them. We have written them a letter. So the actors work and we expect them. The actors which area will expect
So they are on notice.
That is the next.
Thank you very much.
Let's go. Excuse.
My market people, I sincerely wish to welcome people to Igbo market. And then I also want to thank you for the struggle for social freedom and social justice. In the case of Nnamdi Kanu, I might tell you sincerely that even in court, my Tama court, we met some of you there when we were going to court. So I think we want this freedom now, and then by the special grace of God, we'll do our own part because he has done nothing. And the Nigerian government will have to release him unconditionally. Unconditionally. He's not the only person that has committed crime.
He didn't commit any crime.
But the Nigerian government has to release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally.
Now.
And we stand, my voice joins with that of Sowore and the lawyers to say that the Nigerian government will have to release Nnamdi unconditionally.
Now. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you for standing by.
Wait.
Thank you. Thank you.
I want to say something. You can see that the justice we are seeking have united us together. Because we are mixed ethnic group here, I want to speak English so that everybody will benefit. Yes. As I said before, the justice we are seeking have united us together. So if there is nothing that we can do, I see all these people always on the television. But now the reality is before us. Yes. They are here with us. Yeah. We don't have any excuse that day than to match to wherever the venue might be. If they change the venue, we'll go to another. I want to assure you that day will shut our market down. Yeah. There is anybody that will spearhead this free Nnamdi Kanu, I will be there. Nnamdi Kanu was my senior in the primary school. The brother will testify. Nnamdi have a new primary school.
Yes.
The father, your mother, your father that have killed, they are my mother's friend. Yeah. I'm not exaggerating. That school I mentioned will make you know that I'm not exaggerating.
Yeah.
So what I want to say is that I will be in the forefront.
Yeah.
Because it is a term in Nigeria that we will call a spade a spade.
Yes.
They cannot kill all of us.
Yes.
Because if you listen to the media, you will see what happened. What happened even yesterday when they toppled the government of Madagascar. So I want to tell you, it's the youth that spearheaded it. Yeah. These our elders have tried a lot. Yeah. And this time around, we want to assure you that we are solidly behind you people. Yeah. Because if we don't take action, all of us will perish. Yes. It is Kanu today. Who knows who will be tomorrow? Yes. So in solidarity, we are behind you. Yes. Whether they like it or not, we will march forward to that place.